Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show a beautiful RAV4, Toyota RAV4 that we've taken in. So this is a 2021 on a 21 plate. It's the 2.5 petrol hybrid electric with the CVT automatic gearbox in it. So this is a self-charging one, no plugging in with this one. Finished in a beautiful obsidian blue metallic, a lovely colour this, with full black leather. It's also got, most importantly, it's got the JBL sound system and the Panoramic View Monitor, which are lovely things to have. We'll show you those, amongst a few other extras as well, which we'll show you as you go around. Beautiful condition this, 31,300 miles from new, locally owned, came to us due to a change of circumstances from the gentleman, retired gentleman who owned it. Let's have a look around. Okay, on the front here, supplied by Stephen Eagle Toyota in Ipswich. He bought it from them in about 2022. Okay, I'll just show you in the front here, we've got front sensors and we've also got the camera, front camera here as well. And moving around the side here, beautiful alloy wheels, all in lovely condition. These are 19-inch wheel, matching Toyota Proxes tyres all around as well. Under the mirrors here we've got cameras as well. Such a gorgeous colour this. All in lovely condition around the back here. Twin exhausts there. Chrome surrounds. Rear camera as well. Into the back here. Electric tailgate obviously. Now in the back here, as you can see, we've got part of the JBL system there marked on the speakers. And we have got a load area liner, and we've also, as well as carpet mats in the car, we've got a full set of rubber mats for the car as well. And I'll just show you underneath here. Let's just take this out for a moment. And down under here, we have got the space saver spare wheel that was added as an extra, as well as the pump and the squirty stuff. Obviously locking wheel nuts. We've also got a detachable tow bar here as well. I'll just show you this. I don't think he hardly ever used this, which you'll see from the condition of it. It looks just brand new here. So that attaches should you wish to tow with it. We've got the key for that as well. Okay, button up there to shut that. And then a look down the driver's side as well. Tip top condition this. Look inside here. You see this lovely black leather. Bit of white stitching on there as well, nice bit of contrast. Full set of carpet mats in there. I think we've also got rear USB. Okay, we've got keyless entry and start obviously with this car. And on the doors here you can see we've got electric seats, and these are the memories, two memories for the electric seats. Folding mirrors, electric folding mirrors, obviously electric windows and electric mirror adjustment as well. Seats in lovely condition. It's very much like a Lexus, this car. Okay, just to show you down here, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got a control there for a switch for opening the rear tailgate as well. We'll show you the surround view in a minute. That's the button for that down there. Moving up to the steering wheel, lovely leather bound steering wheel. We've got cruise control, we've got lane assist. This is active cruise control, so it controls the distance between you and somebody else when switched on. Voice control, phone connection, etc. there as well. Moving across into the middle here, we'll run through some of the features on the screen here. Obviously DAB, phone connection, etc. But we've also got just show you the dash here. As you can see, this is in one of the modes, so it shows you the MPG and miles distance to run out as well. And then across in the middle here, you can have the screen up there showing where the power's going, what the power is in the battery, whether the engine's running, etc. Okay, we'll just show you some of the camera facilities here. As you can see here, we've got the rear camera, and then we've got the side camera showing you the position of the vehicle. There's also a front camera as well. When you move up close to something, that comes on. Different views here. This is the clever one. If I push this button down here, the view camera, and then go back up to the screen. So we'll just show you the surround view. So if I push the button down here, it will then give us a rotate round the car, so you can see exactly what's around the car all the way around. And then an overview from the top. That is really helpful when it comes to parking. Fantastic bit of kit. So that's the panoramic surround view. Okay, moving down to the middle here, we've got full climate control. We've got heated seats. What else have we got there? Oh, moving down below that, we've then got a USB connection power socket down there as well. Controller for the automatic gearbox and the drive modes. And down in the centre armrest here, we've got 2 more USB connections there as well. Okay, so just to show you, when you change the modes from sport to eco, changes the colour of the outside of the dial. Just to show you up here as well, we've got a front dash cam here, and we've got a rear dash cam, Nextbase ones. These were fitted by Toyota as well. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet. Okay, so here we've got the combination of the 2.5 litre petrol 4-cylinder engine and the electric unit here. So quite powerful. It's 219 brake horsepower, and obviously the advantage of the electric, so you can run on electric at low speed and you can control it. You can have it running on both, but you can just leave it in automatic mode. It'll charge the electric unit, it'll use the electric unit when it needs to give you the best efficiency and the best economy. Okay, just to give you a little bit more information about the warranty on this car, this is under the Toyota manufacturer warranty until May 2026, after which, as long as you go back for the regular servicing with Toyota, every time they go back, you go back, they will extend the warranty automatically for another year until the car is 10 years old. So effectively you can keep this under manufacturer warranty until 10 years old, but currently, even if you have the car serviced elsewhere, it's MOT'd through until May 2026. Okay, just to run through that again, 2021 on a 21 plate, Toyota RAV4 Excel 2.5 petrol and electric hybrid self-charger, finished in beautiful Obsidian Blue metallic, full Toyota service history with it, 31,300 miles, locally owned, really well maintained by a retired owner. Any more information, please do give me a call. It's Simon Shield. It's 01473 658 091, or alternatively do hop on the website. All the still pictures, loads of pictures on there, pictures of the service history, everything's there, and that is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.